6 tips to prepare your home for cold weather. As temperatures drop and the days get shorter, it's time to do more than just grab a jacket. Your home needs a little fall prep too. Cold weather can lead to unexpected damage, high energy bills, and costly repairs, unless you take a few simple steps now. Let's go over 6 essential tips to winterize your home this fall and keep it safe, warm, and energy efficient all season long. Tip number 1, seal drafts around doors and windows. Drafty windows and doors can let in cold air and send your energy bill soaring. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal gaps and keep the warm air in, where it belongs. Tip number 2, clean out your gutters. Clogged gutters can lead to ice dams, roof leaks, and water damage. Clear out leaves and debris now, and check that downspouts drain water away from your foundation. Tip number 3, insulate exposed pipes. Frozen pipes can burst and cause serious water damage. Wrap pipes in unheated areas, like the garage or basement, with foam insulation to keep them protected. Tip number 4, service your heating system. Your furnace or boiler works hard all winter long. Schedule a professional tune-up now to make sure everything's running safely and efficiently. Bonus, clean filters equals lower energy bills. Tip number 5, reverse your ceiling fans. Ceiling fans aren't just for summer. Flip the switch to run them clockwise, and they'll push warm air back down into the room, making your space feel warmer without turning up the heat. Tip number 6, prepare for power outages. Stock up on essentials, flashlights, batteries, blankets, and an emergency kit. If you use a generator, test it now, and remember, never run it indoors. Bonus tip, review your home insurance fall is also a smart time to review your homeowner's policy. If a frozen pipe or winter storm hits, will you be fully covered? Call Klinger Insurance Group at 301-428-4935. We'll help you make sure your coverage is ready for whatever winter brings. Klinger Insurance Group, protecting what matters most all year long.